Hey guys, this is Milo with RMS Customs and Swab. Today we got a 2017 Nissan GTR. Customer came all the way from Dallas. We are going to be dropping the motor, doing a turbo swap on it. Our guys over at RD Engineering set up this customer with some RD800s and also a Boost Logic titanium exhaust. The car is already 85, so he is looking for a daily street-driven 800 wheel horsepower car. Once we're already paired with the turbos, exhaust system, and everything, Ronnie is going to be doing the remote tuning to the vehicle to finalize, and you can have a straight-driven, no issues, 800 horsepower vehicle. So stay tuned. That way you can see all the upgrades during the process and the build. Thank you. It's been a couple of days, so we finally dropped down the motor. Before we dropped down the motor, we actually made out this jig stand, so that way it holds the cradle in place. You can see now it's already all mounted. Basically what we use is the stand is where the factory sway bar location mounts is. We use those as our mounting locations for the cradle stand. Now as far as once we got everything together, we started pulling everything out, the harnesses, the exhaust system, everything. As you can see over here, we already got the couple pieces over here on the side of the car. That's already on the floor with the exhaust. So now we're getting ready to remove the turbos, install those RD800s turbo kit from RD Engineering, and then get ready to put everything back together and put the Boost Logic titanium exhaust on there on the vehicle. So stay tuned. So these are the RD800s from RD Engineering. This is the factory turbo from Nissan on the GTR. This is like I had mentioned in the past, this is a direct bolt-on part. No modification needed, just remove the turbos, all the heat shields, everything bolts right on. It's just, I mean, everything lines up perfect. It's really rare to get parts that actually bolt on. Ronnie definitely made this turbo kit, probably one of the best in the market industry for the GTRs. So yeah, excited. You can see the inlets on the turbos as far as on the size. That's the stock inlet, and then this is RD's. Okay, so on the RD800s, what I was talking about and I had mentioned in the past, what keeps these factory location, everything that you're able to use is that they use the internal wastegates. This is the factory wastegate. So if you can see right here, you got your wastegate right here coming out, right? So then you got your RD800s, which keeps a factory wastegate and uses a turbo smart valve. So definitely good product. Bolt on, can't beat it. Here are the RD800s installed on the GTR motor. This is all with the factory, everything as far as location, heat shield, I mean on the exhausts, on the manifolds. We're using a caliper converter delete. These are the deletes. So everything's sent to factory location, routed, all the piping, all the lines, everything. And then here's your, you got your Turbo Smart wastegate. So it's everything, even in the OE location. So if you see, even has the OE routing. I mean, it's just a direct bolt-on kit. So this is something you definitely, as far as for all the GTR owners out there that are looking to upgrade their cars, this is a turbo kit you would want, definitely. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This is a wrap for this video. Next week, we're gonna be, stay tuned. We're gonna be installing the GTR motor back into the vehicle with the Boost Logic exhaust, titanium exhaust. Ronnie from RD Engineering will be tuning this vehicle with the Accutech. So that way the customer can go around and have some fun on 800 horsepower GTR. Thanks for watching.